when you're solving to try to factor these kinds of equations, you got to look at all the numbers. So you have a squared. So you know that your answer is going to be, when there's no coefficient in front of it, you know it's just going to be a, and then there's going to be some numbers in here that go to it. And the way that you know what the answer is going to be is you know that it's going to multiply to be, it needs to be negative 50. So it needs to multiply to be that. And it's going to add to be the second number. It's going to be add to be 5. If there was a number in front of the coefficient, it would be more complicated. But in this case, the top number is always going to be this last number, this c, negative 50. And this number right here is always going to be this 5. And so we have to figure out two numbers that add to 5 and two numbers that multiply to 50. And obviously that's going to be 10 and 5, because we need one of them to be negative to make this negative, and we want it to be this one because 10 minus 5 is 5. So, or 10 plus negative 5 is going to be 5. And we know that 10 times negative 5 is going to be 50. So the answer is going to be a plus 10. And a, since this is negative, it's going to be a minus 5. And that's your answer. So just make sure that you find two numbers that multiply to the last number, negative 50, and add to 5. And then that's how you get your answer.